Wishing a fantastic day to all our viewers, whether you are sipping coffee, debugging code, or just tuning in for your daily dose of Web3 wonder. Today on Ledger Live, we have got stories that aren't just big, they are shaping how the Internet Computer Protocol is going to be used and understood. First, we are heading to British Columbia, where Quantum Leap Labs is launching its very first cohort of startups built entirely on ICP. It's not just about apps. These are full-stack decentralized ecosystems powered by SNS DAOs. Then we are clicking Open EasyICP. It's a tool so smooth, it's turning deployment headaches into one-tab harmony for new developers building on the Internet Computer. And we are breaking down why Oxy Sprinkle machine just got way more flavorful and how you can earn Bitcoin just by showing up, transacting a little, and inviting your mates. Plus, there is a super sprinkles twist and a referral reward that just keeps giving. Before we jump in, a gentle reminder, if you enjoy what we do, feel free to donate and help us keep the stories rolling. Wallet info's in the description along with links to everything we talk about today. Let's get straight into it. British Columbia is about to become the next hub for Web3 innovation, and the name leading the charge is Quantum Leap Labs. On April 24, they are launching their very first startup cohort, and these aren't your usual build it and pivot tech bros. This is an ecosystem first, infrastructure deep experiment rooted firmly in the Internet Computer Protocol. This is headed by Javier Arroyo Ferrer. He is a former banker who ditched the suits for smart contracts, where Quantum Leap Labs is crafting something rare. Each startup in the cohort is building a decentralized app that lives fully on-chain, skips cloud giants entirely, and runs with community-first governance through SNS DAOs. Let's talk about some of these startups. Able Finance is diving into DeFi with a fresh focus that is local-first, secure lending directly on the Internet Computer. OM Rulancer flips the freelance game. Forget middleman, this platform lets users manage jobs, reviews, and payments without touching Web2 at all. F Extreme Sports is creating a gamified fan engagement model with NFTs and interactive sports content. Rhino Spider is helping small businesses escape Web2 bloat and run lean on decentralized infra. And Beep Quantum, they are pushing the envelope with decentralized AI. It's a big vision with ICP's compute resources. Each of these projects is building entire services, not just features. And the tech stack they are working with is 100% ICP, no AWS, no Google, no fallback. That's what makes this cohort special. On demo day, these startups will pitch to a trio of investors. Alexa Golhar from Antler Global, Matt Lowe from OVO HQ, and Arzu Teker from Trio VC. These aren't just cheerleaders. They'll be pushing, questioning, and stress testing the teams. The goal here isn't to chase quick exits. It's to prove that full-stack decentralized apps can govern themselves, operate on-chain, and stand up to real-world usage. Arroyo Ferrer has a clear vision. Help technical founders reach DAO readiness and skip the fluff. With help from people like Demali Gregg, who is strong on Motoko and smart contract design, and Darren Moore, who translates tech into investor-ready language, the lab offers much more than encouragement, it offers structure. And in a world where decentralization often stops at marketing copy, Quantum Leap Labs is pushing real functional autonomy. So what happens next? After demo day, each founder will step out of the cohort and into community management, governance, and the hard part, user adoption. But here is the twist. None of these founders seem phased. They are building on ICP because they believe in its full stack model, and this demo day is their chance to show it off. From finance to AI, from governance to sports, these startups are proving that you can skip the middleman and build something that actually works. Let's shift from big ideas and investor pitches to something that solves a very practical problem. Ever tried deploying a site on the Internet Computer and ended up buried in tabs, forum posts, and terminal errors? If yes, then meet your new best friend, that is EasyICP. Jan Kamenish, who is the definitive CTO, recently gave a shout out to a website that is quietly making waves. That is EasyICP.site. This site isn't flashy, it's not hyped, it's not even collecting your data. What it is though is a beautifully simple tool for anyone looking to launch something on ICP, whether you are a seasoned developer or just getting your feet wet. Let's break it down. The internet computer lets you host fully on-chain websites. Great. Right, but that comes with a learning curve. Canisters, cycles, principal IDs, DFX installations. It can be a lot. EasyICP walks you through the entire deployment process, one clean step at a time, all inside your browser. No downloads, no extensions, just clear, well-explained steps. The process begins by setting up a canister via the NNS, then moves into installing the DFX CLI with a simple command. Once that's done, you confirm your setup, grab your principal ID, and you are ready to deploy. And that's where the zip file comes in, a pre-packed project with all the structure you need. Asset folder, check. Domain configs, check. Well-known folder for DNS, yep. Even assigning permissions, something that can usually take hours of forum digging, is made effortless. Just plug in your principal and canister IDs and the tool spits out the exact command you need. Want to link your project to a custom domain? No problem. The guide even walks you through DNS setup without the usual jargon overload. What makes EasyICP stand out is its tone. It doesn't assume you are an expert. It doesn't treat you like a beginner either. It feels like a colleague who has already made every mistake and just wants to save you time. In a world full of overcomplicated documentation and 15-step tutorials, EasyICP is the cheat code. It's tools like these that will quietly but significantly grow the ICP dev community, not through hype but through usability. Finally, Oisy Sprinkle's campaign is a light-hearted yet clever initiative that rewards active users with daily Bitcoin drops, 50 per day to be exact. Users can participate by logging in weekly, making 2 transactions and holding $20 or more in tokens. The process is simple and transparent, designed to reward engagement without complexity. The campaign has now added a new layer, that is referrals. When you refer a friend, they get their full rewards and you get 10% of what they earn automatically and for the duration of the campaign. This clean, no strings attached model encourages community growth without diluting incentives. A standard feature is Super Sprinkles. That is $50 BTC rewards given randomly to 5 users daily. There is no competition or application involved. Eligibility is based on normal participation. Unlike many crypto campaigns bogged down by leaderboards, lock-ins, or jargon, Oisy keeps it casual and accessible. It appeals to both new and seasoned users with a low barrier to entry and real proportional rewards. The tone is friendly, the design is user-first, and the entire experience feels shareable and easy to understand. Ultimately, Oisy's campaign isn't trying to be flashy. It's about consistency, simplicity, and rewarding genuine usage, and that's what might make it stick. And that's a wrap on today's stories. 3 big reasons the internet computer is worth watching right now. From BC's bold new startup lab at Quantum Leap to the clean simplicity of EasyICP to Oisy Sprinkle campaign making daily engagement feel like a win, we are seeing ICP evolve from concept to utility, one practical project at a time. If you liked what you heard, feel free to support us with a small donation. Wallet details are in the description along with all the project links we covered. Stay curious, stay kind, and we'll see you in the next episode right here on Ledger Live.